welcome back to my channel. And today, well, it's New Year's Eve and it is so rainy and foggy here that we decided we were just gonna stay in and have like a quiet little evening. But I've made us some snacks to eat. I have my spinach tree pull apart, and then I have my cheese ball, which is always really good, and we have some cookies, things like that. But I wanted to take time from the bottom of my heart to thank you so much for everything you've done for me this year. My channel, I'm so happy with how my channel is growing, and it wouldn't be possible without you. So I just wanted to wish you all a very happy New Year. Bye, guys.